for conversations placed just right, that guide my steps beyond their night. Thank you for the pauses you allow, for hours bent to wisdom now, for quiet shifts I never saw, that led me where I stand at all. All things given, all things sure. Thank you for the beauty you provide in every detail of my life, seen and unseen, all arranged by your goodness, all sustained. Every thread is strong and true, every part flows straight from you. Thank you for the work you've done, perfect, complete, and lacking none. Thank you for the habits built in time, for steady ways that train the mind, for skills learned small and used right when you call them forward once again. Thank you for the rest that makes me whole, for sleep that heals the heart and soul, for strength restored beyond my view, by wisdom faithful, deep and true. All things measured, all things right. Thank you for the beauty you provide in every detail of my life, seen and unseen, all arranged by your goodness, all sustained. Every thread is strong and true, every part flows straight from you. Thank you for the work you've done, perfect, complete, and lacking none. Thank you for the friends you set in place, for crossing paths and quiet grace, for encouragements that stayed and carried strength for later days. Thank you for the order of events, for traits aligned with your intent, for boundaries that guard my way and unseen care from day to day. Thank you for the growth that comes on time, for truth preserved within my mind, for steady gifts that never cease, and daily life arranged in peace. Thank you for the light I walk within, for mercies fresh and never thin, for steady provision, calm and sure, that keeps my heart at rest secure. All glory to your holy name, for beauty formed and kept the same. I walk in peace, my trust secure. Your works are good, complete and pure.